Hi Letterlanders, it's Mrs. Knippenberg. I'm here today to do a review of all our digraphs and blends. So before we get started with my special little test, I'm going to see if you can remember all of them. Here we go. Here's the first one. Nice job. Here's the next one. Here's the next one. Shh. Here's the next one. Here's the next one. This is the whispered. Remember, it's the breath one. And last, we have the voiced TH. Remember what that sounds like? Great job. Well, today I want to see if you can help me listen for the beginning sounds in some of these words. We're not going to do all of them, and you can always pause this video and go back and fill in the ones that we don't get to. But to start, we'll start with our first one here at the top. Let's look at the picture, and we have three of our digraphs at the top. We have sh, or th, and ch. So let's look at the first one. I see a picture, of a shell. Which one of these Letterland digraphs would work best at the beginning of shell? Listen. Shh. The SH. So I'm going to go ahead and write an S and an H in for us to make the word shell. Okay, let's look at this next one. Ooh, we did this one when we practiced. Can you point to this part on your face, your chin? Chin. Ooh, I'm going to give you a clue. Ch. Is it SH, TH, or CH? If you said CH, you are correct. We're going to write a C and an H, and we're going to build this word. Ch, in, chin. Okay, let's go down to this picture right here. Everybody put their thumb up. Let's say that word, thumb. Oh, I can feel something. It sounds like a whispered. Is it SH, TH, or CH? If you said TH, you are right. So I'm going to write a T and an H here. And then I'm going to show you how we can sound it out. We have thumb. Okay, let's try one more on this page. Let's do this one because I really like sharks. Shark. We have to have something here that says arc. Which one of these digraphs says sh? SH, TH, or CH? Shh. You're right, SH. So I'm going to go ahead and write an S and an H on the line, and it says arc, shark. Well, you can always pause this page of the video and try to do the rest, maybe in a notebook or practice with your family. All right, I'm going to go to the next one. Ooh, I see some more of our special blends and digraphs. All right, now you notice in my pictures, look at this. We have to write these blends or digraphs at the ends of our words. On the first page, I'll go back to show you. All of these ones came at the beginning of a word, but now we're going to listen for the blend or digraph at the end of the word. So don't get tricked. Here we go. Let's try this first one. I see a picture of a duck, and I see a d, k. Ooh, I need the last sound, duck. Let's look at our choices. We have SH, CH, CK, or NG. Do you remember? We have sh, ch, k, or ng. Which one best goes at the end of duck? You're right, C and K. Very nice. So I'm going to write a C and K to make it say duck. Okay, let's try this next one. Ooh, this looks very shiny. I see a ring. Ring. Ooh, let's listen to the last part. Ring. Ng. Is it SH, CH, CK, or NG? Ng. I hear the ringing sound in N and G, so I'm going to do N and G. So we have ring. Okay, let's do a couple more. Let's do fish. Listen, fish, fish. We'll hear a sh at the end of fish. Is that SH, CH, CK, or NG? SH, very nice. It's where, remember, they say shh. Harry Hatman tells Sammy Snake to be quiet. All right, so we have fish. Let's do one more. Let's do this one. Sock. Oh no, I only have one sock. Listen, sock, sock, k. I hear a k at the end. Is it SH, CH, CK, or NG? I think it's CK at the end of sock. So I'm going to write a C and a K. Very good. Well, thank you so much for helping me fill in the missing digraphs and blends. I hope you had fun learning about them, and remember to look for them in all your books. Have a great day.